Jai Jagannath. In fact, Soma already hinted me that it's a National CEO conclave. I have to listen my address. So tonight, Honorable Chief Guest Dr. Ravi Behra is such a parliament, very vibrant parliamentary of time. You see, you are facing a bad possible plot, but he's super active in his constituency, body, Jajpur. Despite all that, he's coming to grace this occasion. Sir, as always, you are always there for interview time, sir. Since he became the parliamentarian from Odisha, from Jajpur, he has never missed any of our conclave for interview times. So such a magnanimity of our chief guest for the befitting cause. You are really proud of you for your time and kind, Dr. Ravi Behra, chief guest tonight. And most, the man of the moment, I possibly say that, somebody he came right to you from the New Zealand to Odisha, just because to grace the occasion and see the people, what kind of prosperity, what kind of growth you are taking place in Odisha. Yesterday only he landed, a couple of days he landed in Odisha. I received and he spoke one thing that really touched me, that Dibyo, I need to visit every single district of the state. You see, to imagine why Odisha cannot be growth? Why not it is happening on reality, Viksit Odisha and Viksit India? Why not? So that kind of spirit you have got, the person of the inaugurator, that is fascinating for me personally, sir. You are really proud. Every moment you can call him, taking the inputs and insights. That is why it is possible. So this is the person inaugurator tonight, sir. Really proud of you, sir. As a Odia, so you made this possible. So huge round of this applause for the gentleman. And most significantly, I can call you the profound surgeon of Odisha and the Padma Shri Ashok Mahapatra sir. He is here, right? Just because to inspire you, just because to give a 100 plus possibility for making Viksit Odisha. So that kind of personality he is, sir. Ashok Mahapatra sir, you all are proud of you, sir. You made Odisha proud, taking the benchmark to the national level, even international level. You're really proud of you, sir. And one name I must tell you that somebody he came from Mumbai, one of famous Bollywood filmmaker, Captain Bali. He's right here. Can you have a huge round of applause for Mr. Bali? So that sort of spirit and person you are with his. So really delighted and fascinated, even inspired. And one important, one of the most significant guest of honor, chartered accountant Mr. Prasant Panda. He is not only a fascinated, very profound chartered accountant, also he has built number of brands. Those who follow in terms of business cycle of Odisha, all know what kind of person Prasant Panda is all about, what kind of brand is set up in Odisha. Also, he associated with many NGOs. So that kind of person you are getting, you sir, really proud of you, sir, Mr. Prasant Panda. And one very significant growth engine, if you could talk about Odisha, a trajectory in growth engine, the Talcher fertilizer. It is going to massive revamp in fertilizer section in Odisha, even India. That is Mr. Vivek Srivastav, Talcher Fertilizer Managing Director. Sir, all are proud of you, sir, coming from state from Talcher to here. Really, it means a lot to us, sir. And one must significantly what is possible today. 100 CEOs are sitting here, and one person, if I would not mention him, I feel guilty for that. Mr. Dr. Pritam Pal. Actually, I'm a management student. A lot of desire to study in the RCM college. Once in 90s, Tony, it's a fascinating brand, RCM. But now when I entered the campus a couple of months back and I talked to Pritam sir, you see what kind of institute existing in Odisha is a massive national reputed management. It has to be university in Odisha, only management deserved to be university. It is RCM college and his legacy, his father legacy. So he has taken this legacy forward. I'm really proud of Odisha, sir. Such a magnificent management exists in Odisha. Really proud of you, Pritam sir. And tonight, what gave me a lot of boost and power for seeing all those known face, like one of the IT giants sitting in front of me in red sofa, Mr. Nanupani. Recently, he's one of the first IT brand listed in the IPO, that is CSM Technology. It's a huge round of applause, this gentleman. And I suppose Manas Panda is there, STPI. He has started the revolution of IT in Odisha. What is export and all that? Manas Panda has done this thing. So many people are sitting here. I should not, and even NTPC, a lot of people are sitting. Really proud of you. This meant for this conclave, we meet all of you. Because Odisha is possible. Why not possible? There is only one way. There is no other way. That is generating jobs, giving jobs. That's the only way. I took a name that somebody at 90s, he took the small room to build that what IT export is happening more than 4,000, 5,000 crore because of this person. So I'm really proud of your presence, sir. Huge round of applause, Manas Panda, STPI director, sir. Even I should mention that Rashmi Mahapatra, he happens to be my brother, he's a WC chairman. They're doing a lot of phenomenal job for the state of Odisha, sir. So that's I'm really thrilled for this, that people are coming such a number, even possible rain is there. So we are delighted. Even at last, the media friend, even our second national CEO, all partner from the Aqua Pulse, they are doing phenomenal job. Mr. Abhishek Dwivedi, Eco Matrix Tripathi ji here, even NTPC, Mr. Vijay Savi, a lot of people are really delighted. Mercedes-Benz is also wheel partner, knowledge partner, Pritam sir is there. So you are delighted. I hope that this will give a lot of boost insight for the tonight. So huge round of applause, and at last my friends media to take it seriously, make this happen. Odisha is big Odisha ahead. Thank you so much, Sama.